All right, welcome to the Facebook ads training from the window cleaning masterclass course. So what we're going to break down first here is going to be building your creative. We're going to be in Canva. I'm going to supply you with all these images that I'm using, and we're just going to create some before and after photos. Images, and from there we'll move into Facebook ads. So as we're making our creatives, you have to understand that it might not be perfect right out the gate. Yes, if it's spring rush, people are going to be clicking on ads because they're looking for window cleaning. But as we're moving into the middle of the season, we need to be testing different creatives. And so that's what we're doing here. We're going to be building a couple different ones, some with price, some with branding. We're going to have to understand that these may not hit right off the bat. But that's where the next videos are going to come in on how to read the metrics and how to optimize. So here's some before and after. I wish that wall wasn't there, but it's kind of the best I had. But again, we're really going down the avenue of putting a price. And for us, this is a starting price. So it's to get people to click, and then we build them their package from there. But here's another one. Again, just a bunch of different samples. And that's why you want to create like 3 to 5 different pictures that are a little bit different. Some before and afters, some just a picture. Here's just like a funny one. Again, another branding style image. All of us in our uniforms, getting the house completed. This is going to help you to kind of find which ones are doing well. And then we can turn off the ones that aren't and edit from there. And so we'll just we got this last one. This is one that I want to test just running as a branding ad. This is a review somebody left, so I thought it was kind of funny. So we'll try that one in here as well. But once those are all done, again, they'll be linked down below. We'll jump into Facebook and get these ads launched. Okay, so we've clicked create an ad. Now make sure you're doing a manual creation, not the preset. So we're going to make a name. So we do window cleaning. Is it a lead ad? It is. That's our campaign. Now here you want, we're going to do advantage campaign budget. This will just be as one ad is outperforming the others, it's going to just allocate funding there. So we'll test that. We want instant forms. Make sure you link your business page. We do want dynamic creative. That's very important. So here's location. We're just going to drop a pin to where we are located. This way we can make our radius, and we're going to make sure it's kind of right where we want it to be. So we've clicked at the middle of our city, and just make sure that that bubble is actually in areas that you service. You want to make sure you turn Advantage Plus Audience off right now. There's been a lot of issues with that not working very well. So turn that off. You got the location. Make sure to put English. This helps. We've seen some issues with people opting in that don't speak English. Advancement placement. So we just focus on Facebook feed. We don't really do much on Instagram, but if you do, then leave Instagram on. That's totally fine. Some people get tons of traffic through Instagram. We just stick with Facebook for now. It's where we get all our results from. So now you can update your name there. So this is because we did dynamic creative, we can add more than one image. So this is what we're testing. We're going to test those 5 images across all the channels there. So in our course, we do have copy training, how to use ChatGPT to get some good ad copy. Here's one we used in the past. It has worked quite well so far. And again, this is all going to be tested. So in the next video, we're going to go over optimizing it. We're going to let this run for 3 days at $30 a day. We're going to see how it goes. And then from there, we're going to optimize. We will change different things like the copy. We might change images. We might add stuff, change headlines. So again, this is all just for testing purposes. Um, then eventually you'll get one that works and you'll just run that one all the time. But this is going to show you how to test, try different things, because what a lot of people do is they launch one ad and they go, oh, no leads, this sucks, without doing the data. We just launched an ad for somebody. First round, not very good. Second round, getting 2 to 3 leads a day. And it was from changing one thing in the image, from going from price per square foot to a set price, and they were all set. So you can see here, we're going to do get quote. The instant form is huge as well. You want to make sure you put some time in here. This will be shown in the data as well if people are clicking but not opting in. It could be something to do with your lead form. So you'll see some examples, our example of what we have on our lead form right here. It just shows them what the process is like. So they once they click the ad, they get a little bit of information. It reminds them of what they're doing, and it shows them like what the next steps will look like if they opt into our ad. So with them, we have all the questions we need to build an actual quote. This is exactly what we use in Responsibid. So now when our VA comes in, they can fill out that information and then phone them with a quote. Not have to phone them and then ask a bunch of questions. They can send the email if they're working, if they're busy. Just, hey, no worries. We got all your information. We've sent over an quote. It'll be in your email. We'll follow up with you later on today, right? And then you can hit publish. Now in the next video, we're gonna go over how to optimize because making this, we're 3 days in. There's some tweaks we need to make, but test it in your area. I'll give you the images, a Canva link so you can edit them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to watch this campaign. I'm going to create another video in about 4 days, and it's going to show you how to optimize based on the metrics from how that ad is performing. So launch this ad, and stay tuned for the next video. Or if you're in the course, jump into the next module, and see how you can optimize your ad based on data and metrics, not based on your gut feeling or um, your lack of knowledge in terms of how ads perform. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.